look at genetic continuity through mitosis. And it consistently replicates genetic information from parent cell to two daughter cells. And is done for growth, repair, and replacement of single organism cells. It helps humans to reach the process of meiosis during puberty. And this is critical for humans to be able to reproduce offspring. And the end result of mitosis is two daughter cells with the same amount of genetic information as the parent cell. So let's take a look at this. So now the parent cell starts off with 46 chromosomes. And then through the process of mitosis that goes through prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis, it results in two genetically identical daughter cells with 46 chromosomes apiece. If you take a look at these two daughter cells, notice they look genetically identical to this parent cell. So that's how genetic continuity occurs through the process of mitosis. So we're passing that DNA down from the parent cell to two daughter cells, and this process continues on and on to extend our genetic continuity. Let's take a look at genetic continuity through meiosis. Meiosis goes through two cycles of the cell cycle. So here's meiosis 1, which is that first cycle, and then here's meiosis 2, which is that second cycle. And meiosis helps provide genetic variation and resulting offspring by crossing over during prophase 1, which produces new combinations of alleles, and this leads to more genetic diversity within a population. So here's prophase 1, and this is where the synapses for crossing over occurs. 4 haploid daughter cells called gametes, which are sperm or egg cells, with half the DNA of the original parent cell are produced at the end of meiosis. So if you take a look, here's that original parent cell, and it contains 46 chromosomes. But by the time we get to the end of the process of meiosis, notice we have 4 haploid daughter cells that are produced, and each one of these daughter cells only contains 23 chromosomes. And if you notice, these 23 chromosomes are half the number of chromosomes of that parent cell. And each gamete contains a mixture of genes from 2 different parent chromosomes in sexual reproduction, and this also increases the genetic diversity of that population or species. And the end result is more genetic variation within a sexually reproducing population, which ultimately increases its chances for survival. Let's make sure that we clearly understand genetic continuity in mitosis and meiosis. And in this chart, I go ahead and list some of the similarities and differences between the two, but let's focus on how each helps with genetic continuity of a species. So first, let's start with mitosis. And it ensures that two daughter cells have the same genes and DNA as the parent cell. It helps humans grow to the point of puberty where meiosis, the production of sex cells, occurs. And then let's go ahead and take a look at meiosis. And it ensures that offspring have the same number of genes as parent organisms, and it increases genetic variation within the population, which ultimately provides that population with a better chance to survive.
Now it is time for your check for understanding. You may use your notes and the knowledge you have gained from watching this video to answer the following questions. I'm Jordan Spivey, joined by my dad,
Travis Spivey. And if you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also check us out on our website at www.fathersoninnovations.com. And also check us out on our online courses at www.fathersoninnovations.com/courses. And finally, don't forget to download our app, which is FSI Courses, and it is available in the Apple and Google Play Store.
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you have a positive, awesome, and peaceful day. Peace.